Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle? Wake up, work, repeat, just to barely survive? What if I told you that freedom isn't a fantasy, it's a decision? Yes, financial freedom is not reserved for the lucky. It's built by the bold. This video might just be the wake-up call you've been avoiding. I'm making this video because I've been there, overwhelmed, exhausted, and broke. Not just financially, but mentally. But here's the truth. Money problems are never just about money. They're about power, identity, and escape. So today, I'll show you the real path to financial freedom. Not some get-rich-quick fantasy, but real strategies, mindset shifts, and truths people don't want you to know. Most people think financial freedom means millions in the bank. Wrong. It means choice. The choice to say no to toxic jobs, yes to your dreams, and never again trade time for survival. And no, you don't need to sell your soul on a crypto scheme to get there. That's not freedom. That's gambling in a suit. I was told to play it safe, to be realistic. I was even laughed at when I said I wanted to retire early, and there were nights I doubted everything. But one friend, just one, looked me in the eyes and said, "You're not crazy, you're awake." That moment, it changed everything. So if you've ever been doubted, good. That means you're dreaming bigger than most people dare. If you take what I share in this video seriously, if you apply it, you won't just build wealth, you'll build identity, confidence, power. But if you don't, if you keep scrolling, keep settling, you'll wake up one day wondering where your years went and why someone else is living the life you were meant to build. Let me remind you, you either master money or it masters you. In the next few minutes, I'll share the 3 most powerful mindset shifts that led me to the path of financial freedom. And one of them, it's something 99% of people ignore completely. But you won't. So if you're ready to change your future, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning.